Hello guys, in this video we are going to see what is Burpsuite and how to configure with this browser. So I'm going here and typing Burp Suite. So first link is called Burpsuite. So this company created Burpsuite application. So I'm clicking on first link. So you see this is the Burpsuite website. There is a lot of information about this. You guys see there is an enterprise version. This is a professional version. So these two are paid. So if you want free version, but it is a manual testing, but in professional and enterprises are automatic. So that's the difference between paid and community version. So community version is free. So it is community version is free, licensed, open license. So if you want community, just clicking here, click on Burpsuite Community Edition. If you have money able to buy professional version, so download this and pay using debit card or international cards. So if you don't have money but you want to use Burpsuite Professional, but Burpsuite Professional version, cracked version is having on internet, but it contains full of viruses. So if you don't care about any viruses, if you want to use this Burpsuite Professional, click the link below in description and download this Burpsuite Professional version. So it's free. You have all things enabled in this professional version. So I'm downloading this video. We are going to just configure Burpsuite version with the browser. So I'm just using Community Edition to configure it. So I'm using Windows 64. If you're using Kali Linux, Burpsuite is pre-installed. Burpsuite Community version is pre-installed in Kali Linux. So I'm just installing in Windows. So I'm just Windows 64 and click download. I'm going to save this file. I'm saving in download. So already I downloaded this file. So I'm cancelling the download. So if you guys want it, just download. It's a normal installation like other applications. So after installed Burpsuite, go to start and type Burpsuite. Burp Burpsuite. So there is a Burpsuite Community Edition. Just click on here. It will be open. Okay, this is the Community Edition. You can only open a temporary project. You cannot able to create and work on existing or creating a new project. So I'm just clicking on temporary project. Click next. Using Burpsuite default. So I'm using default configuration to start a Burpsuite. It takes 2 seconds to start. Okay, this is the Burpsuite interface. See, this is called as dashboard. So you click here in Burp. So it's all our tools. So we see this in next video when we are finding bugs. So first we just understand what is this. This is a dashboard. So here it's only for Pro version. It will automatically show what type of bug in website when we visit to the website. So there is a log. It show about the event logs, what we are doing in this website. So these are, if you guys downloaded any Burpsuite extensions, it will run on here. So there is a more number of Burpsuite extensions. Go to extender, click on the App Store. So some extensions needs Pro version. So some didn't need a Pro version. Just right click install. First you need to download Jthon install in your system. So Jthon means nothing. Python compiler. It's a Python compiler written in Java. That's called the Jthon. Okay, next we are going to see about, so we see in dashboard. So next we are going to see about target. If we visit any website means, so all the website will be loaded here. So we are going to use this proxy. Okay, don't worry, we all this seen in here in this video. So I'm just opening a new window. Google. I'm typing FROXY proxy PROXY. Sorry, FOXY PROXY. Proxy is a Firefox extension. It also has a Google Chrome extension. So I am recommended you guys to use Firefox because Firefox generates less ad compared to Google Chrome. So let's see detail. So by clicking add to Firefox, so add, allow this extension to run in private window. Just clicking on OK. That's it, guys. So the icon will be shown here. So this type. If the icon is not shown here, just click on settings, this add-on and theme. So here it will be there. So just click in here. So that's it, guys. It will be showing here. Just click on this and click on options. So you will be redirected to this window. Click on add here. So this is HTTP type proxy. I'm giving a title as BURP SUITE Burpsuite. So I'm typing a public IP address by 127.0.0.1. So if you don't know what address to put here, just go to Burpsuite, click on proxy, click on option. You see 127.0.0.1 and the port is 8080. Okay. So let's come to Firefox. 127.0.0.1 is IP and port is 8080. That's it. If you want username password to access, you can give it. It's optional. Okay, if you want to change color elements, you can change the color. So I want green color, that's enough. So click on save. That's it, guys. Now we saved this connection. Okay, I'm opened a new tab. So I'm just going here and click here. When I click reload, see the secured connection failed. And try again. See the secure connection failed. This is because it has a bad signature. So we need to update a certificate in this Firefox window. So that means click on regenerate CA certificate. Just click yes and click this and create a DER format certificate. Click next. So where the certificate I want to save, I'm just clicking here. So I'm saving in document folder. Just click on save and next. So the certificate was generated successfully. I'm closing this window by opening Firefox. So going to options, private and security. Now scroll down here, certificates, or you can type here certificates. Click on view certificate and there is an option called import. Click on this, navigate to document and here click on all files. So there is a called certificate. So click here and open. So trust. So we need to give this two options. Click on OK and OK. So now we all set up. Just clicking on this website, just pressing reload. See, it will be loading. When we go to Burpsuite, see, it will be captured. So the intercept this connection configured working successfully. Okay guys, now we successfully configured with our browser. So now what we have to do is, so I'm splitting the screen. So I'm reloaded, so it's loading. When I click forward, see, it's trying to reloading. We can see what the data is sending to the server. So get means the data, it is called as packets. So the data sending from our server to, our system to this ports figure server. So when we get, next thing we get post. Post means the server sending the details to our system. See, that's it. It will load it successfully. So this is how intercept works. If you hop the intercept and by clicking reload, so it loaded. When we intercept on, so by reloading this, we capture all the things. So the intercept is work like on and off to capture this. By clicking forward, we can push to forward, or we can edit this and send to the server. So like all the things we are doing in this Burpsuite. Okay, I loaded this. When we go to target, see, more number of web pages has been captured by this Burpsuite. So I'm just reloading this, only one website called Ports River. But why I got this so much static? See, studio.youtube, on google.com, Google Manager, G static. These are all websites that come with an Firefox to generate a data. What user using this, by using this browser, what website the user visits. So this type of informations and data, Mozilla Firefox used to generate an income by providing an ad. So if the same thing I opened in Google Chrome means, we can see I can see a 15 to 20 number of website running here, so that I can suggest it to use Firefox. Okay guys, I hope you guys understand. So I put full screen. So now see, if I go to this ports figure, so this is the website we reloaded. See how many requests has been sent to this. This is the response sent it from our system. So this request and we get the response. If I'm clicking this the request sent from our system. So this is the response got from that post figure server. If the response with HTTP 200 OK means the server trust our connection it and send it back to for our response for our request. So if you get any means like so if you guys get anything response like 304 is not modified means there's a error in it. And if you guys see like this, if we didn't get any request means so the server has stopped with this because they didn't had anything in this. So if you click reload, the server said that only these pages can be loaded. Like only these pages can be loaded here. Okay, you guys know what it is. Now proxy, you can use the forward thing. So we see this using in next videos. You will understand what it is simply. So we are using one number of things here. We are going to change this and send it to a server and find bugs. Okay, next is intruder. Intruder means so I'm coming to this website, click on login here. So I'm going to switch off this first intercept. Okay, so I'm minimizing it. If you are going to here, there is called I'm typing an input here. Instead of input, so I inject a malicious code in here, so it will be logged in. So that is a bug. That is called SQL injection bug. So this type of bug will be found using this intruder by selecting the position where I want to inject the payload, and by adding payload here, so we can find the bug. So next we are going to see about this repeater. So in proxy we get this and just right click send to repeater. So it's sent to repeater. So I want to repeat the process. So I want to check if I had different code here, it will work or not, what response I get. So I just like this I can check here. So I'm changing this. So I'm sending this. I will get this response. So I'm changing here. So I'm erasing this. I'm sending this means I'm getting a response. So I'm sending. I am cancel this user agent. I'm sending a request. So okay. So the cookie is the main section ID. So I'm canceling this. I'm sending. So all the things has been used by this repeater. Actually, it is just a web page to say show me the website. So if you erase all the things, so it will be sent. Only the host will work. So this and all we're going to see in line by line, by next videos. So what is sequencer means? So we capture live by sequence and manually load the things, and all we can do here. Decoder means the encrypted file format has been decoded here based on this ASCII, EXA, this type of decoders. This compiler. So we add here means we just compile this by clicking here send to compiler means. So there is a website added here. We just compile with the previous one. So next is logger. This just get all the details. Just log it. That's it. That's not all. We can filter by time, date, protocols like that. This is an extender. This is a Burpsuite application. This is called Burpsuite store. This is extensions you can download here. Just APIs, options, extensions we can hide here. So the extension is not in vStore. You can click add by and add here manual extensions by clicking add. These are the normal project options, user options, perform authentications like that. So main thing we are going to use is this target, proxy, intruder, repeater, and decoder. So these are the 4 main things we are going to use. So I hope guys you understand what is Burpsuite and how to capture this, how to configure with Firefox browsers. I suggest to use Firefox because Google Chrome generates more ad than Firefox, because it is very hard to one number of ad generating website loaded here. It's just irritating. So I suggest to use Firefox. It will generate very less amount of ad. Okay. The final thing is this is just a community edition. So we cannot do automatic scan. So if in professional edition means, so when I go to this website, the Burpsuite will automatically inject and search for bugs and it will be displayed here. So that is difference between community edition and professional edition. So if you guys doesn't have money to buy a professional version, you have to click in description and download the Burpsuite professional version. So it is a cracked version, but it contains some virus. So I'm not created that cracked version, so someone has created. So I cross-checked that. While cross-checking, it has some viruses. So if you guys doesn't have money So it doesn't care about any viruses because your system has nothing images or any important data. So you can download and install that pro version. Otherwise, I suggest to use virtual machine to use it. In Linux, the pro version cannot be used, only in Windows. So Linux is more secure, only Windows I'm saying. So I give link in this description. So click here and download the files and then install. Okay guys, you can understand what I'm saying is. I hope this video will help you better understand about this Burpsuite. Using this Burpsuite, we are going to see about how to find bugs in next videos. Thanks for watching guys. And finally guys, I one thing forgot to say how to off this. If you guys going, I am close to the Burpsuite. I'm just reloading this. So this got stuck because of this proxy server is refusing the connection. So what to do is by just clicking here and see there's a turn off. So turn off this and just reload it. See, internet is working. So if you want to use Burpsuite, just click on this Burpsuite. Otherwise, turn off it. So that's it guys. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.